that's the view for tonight. With the big campfire there. Woohoo! The drink of the night is a White Claw, black cherry. It's super good. Second viewpoint. Yeah. Wow, it's gorgeous! Lunchtime! I think it's been a month since I didn't go for a hike, and wow, I missed it so much. Second viewpoint! Even better than the first one. Wow. Wow. I love this forest so much. Waro Forest. Wow. Woo. Guys, I just walked 15 minutes away from the last viewpoint and there's another one. It's insane. It's very pretty. I'm currently at the exact same location from that video. I know a place, oh my god. I know a place a little bit further where there's the Dufresne River and I want to go for a swim there. I don't think I'm gonna go camping at the exact same spot. I think I'm just gonna go for a swim and then find another camping spot on this road. I want to explore a little bit this area. Last time that I was here, the current was crazy, but since now it's really warm, it's very dry right now, we can't even make a fire, so the current is very, very, very slow. There's too much mosquitoes for that. For sunbathing. my god, guys. That is very, very steep, and there's a lot of big rocks. Well, it's not that steep, but the rocks, wow. I'm gonna go very, very, very slow, and hopefully I make it to the top. I really want to go to the top because I talked to a local guy here, and he said that at the top there should be a beautiful view. So hopefully I can camp there tonight. Whew. Cardio is hitting. Let's try to not break everything. We're making it! We're making it! Woo! A view, a view, a view, a view. I think that's here. Woo! So that's the view for tonight. With the big campfire there. Woohoo! We made it! It's such a clean spot. Oh my god. I parked myself like that because the sunset is right there, and tomorrow the sunrise it's gonna be around there, I think. So when I'm gonna wake up, I'm just gonna be able to see the sunset with the tailgate open. I'm just being a little bit fancy right now, but yeah. On the top of the truck, it's the paddleboard because inside it's just taking too much space. Since I'm gonna cook inside tonight, it's very warm, so I'm gonna try to put the little blanket all the way in so the sun is not gonna reflect on the inside. So far, I've opened all of the windows and put the cover. So right now it's very nice in here. It's not that warm. I don't think I'm gonna be too warm sleeping in here, but the drawback is the mosquitoes and the flying around. So I think I'm just gonna have to deal with it, because if I close all the windows, I think I'm gonna be a little bit too warm, to be honest. Enough talking, let's cook dinner. I'm so hungry. So tonight it's gonna be rice with sausages and some vegetables grilled on the pan. So I'm gonna grill the vegetables first, and I'm gonna add some oil in it with, I think, seafood spices. I think it can be nice. And I think garlic salt, just to give that little salty vibe, even though it's not good for the health. So I don't have a lot of pan, I just have this one and this one. That's for my oatmeal tomorrow. So I'm gonna cook the vegetables, put it in the plate, and then cook the sausages, put it in the plate, and then just eat a little bit the rice, and it's gonna be ready in no time. Oh, it smells so good! Oh, just stretching in the truck, you know. And by the way, guys, the drink of the night is a White Claw, black cherry. It's super good. Time for the sausages. I'm gonna put the plate on very low on the other side, so it's just gonna keep the vegetables warm. Sausage are good. Always black stuff. Oh. I wonder if it's the stove, the pan, or me. Mmm! Can't wait to dig on this. Vegetables are super good. With seafood seasoning, yeah, it's good. Wow, feels good to eat. That's gourmet meal in camping. I'm just preparing to go to bed. Good morning, guys. I missed the sunrise because I fall back asleep. I saw just the beginning of it, but yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Birds are singing. I really thought that the night would have been easier than this. At first, I was very hot, and then the mosquitoes just, I was their lunch, and I didn't bring my pillow. So yeah, it was a rough night, but not that bad. So I'm gonna have breakfast, and then I think I found a little lake yesterday while driving, so that's where I'm gonna go today for the paddleboard session. I'm very excited because it's gonna be my second time on the paddleboard, and it's such a nice sport. So I just found the entrance to the lake. It's about 25 feet away from the car. And right now it's not that sunny. It's sunny, but it's very cloudy. But I know the sun is gonna get out soon, so I'm just gonna put sunscreen and then head out to the lake. It looks beautiful, by the way. Someone in the last video commented about getting a life jacket because it's unsafe to go on the lake, so I've got one. I'm gonna be safe. Yeah. Guys, I made it through that thing. It's so deep when I put my feet. It's just too stuffed. Look, I can just sink. There were no utilities at all. Look at them. But look at the lake, it's beautiful. I'm gonna try to go up this time. It's scary. Whoa. It's so peaceful being on the water. Wow. Woo! The echo is so strong. It's like 10 a.m. right now. I'm just being on the lake, enjoying life. Oh wow. Look at that smile! Woo! It's not really a lake. It's like swamp lake, I don't know. Because underneath it's swampish. It's not that great and it's like, what, 3 feet of water. So I think what I'm gonna do is go at the end completely of the lake there. I think it's around 2 kilometers because I saw on Google Maps with the measurements thing. So I think it's 2 kilometers. So I'm just gonna go at the end completely and come back. I made it to the end of the lake completely. So guys, I'm gonna leave you here for the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving a like or subscribing. It helps me a lot. So I'm gonna see you in the next ones. Be safe, exploring.